My advice for the upcoming cadets: learn about the name of the tools, not in our own language but in English name. It will give you advantage if you will go international ships. When you come on board, no one will expect you to know everything. No one will give you a job to overhaul machinery. Instead, you will be an assistant to someone experienced. Example of tool's name. Do not worry about the piping system. Every ship have different systems. Just learn the basic things. Like, every suction pump will always has a filter before it. Centrifugal pump uses impeller. It only works for waters. Screw pumps use gears. It works on lube oil and fuel oils. Gate valve. Globe valve. This can also be a non-return valve or SDN screw-down non-return. An arrow or an X mark on the handle is the indication if it is non-return. Lastly, the steam tracing. If this is not installed on fuel oil pipe lines, the fuel will get cold and it will lead to stuck of the pipes. Also, is steam tracing help a steady flow of fuel.